Welcome to Terra Naturals. In this video, let's explore the making of Neem Bioenzyme in 45 days. Diluted Neem Bioenzyme is often used as a natural pesticide in gardens. Concentrated Neem Bioenzyme serves as a potent ingredient in eco-friendly cleaning products. Let's get started. The container capacity 15 times, water 10 times, neem leaves 3 times and jaggery 1 time. This is the standard ratio. After adding all, I am adding concentrated neem bioenzyme about 30 ml. Instead of concentrated neem bioenzyme, you can add citrus bioenzyme also. The bioenzyme will get ready within 45 days if you add concentrated bioenzyme as a starter bioenzyme. It's a 45 days process. First 15 days you have to open and close the lid. Rest the container for next 30 days. After 45 days, the bioenzyme is ready to use. After 45 days, white layer indicates the bioenzyme formed successfully. Use a white cloth or filter like this to filter the bioenzyme. Diluted neem bioenzyme is an effective pesticide without harming beneficial insects. Grind the pulpy bioenzyme. This concentrated bioenzyme can be used for tough stains. It has antimicrobial properties to sanitize surfaces effectively. Always use an inner cap to store the bioenzymes. Check the bioenzyme formed successfully or not. If you see the white layer like this, the bioenzyme formed successfully. If you see the black layer, the bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some amount of jaggery to recover it. If you see some worms like this, bioenzyme has spoiled. You have to add some amount of jaggery to recover it. If you see the green color like this, the bioenzyme fully spoiled and you have to discard it. So make sure for the perfect ratio 15:10:3:1. I will share all the making of bioenzymes in my upcoming videos. Stay tuned for other bioenzymes. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like my channel, share with your friends and subscribe for more new videos.